So Nelisa cannot afford to be in a private hospital because she doesn't have a medical aid. What a joke. Oh, Nelisa deserves to be in a car accident because of what he did to Q. Are you mad? I just want to reprimand some people here, and seeing by where the comments come from, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go below the belt. But let me tell you something about South Africa, because I've seen that these are not South African comments, most of them. In South Africa, when you're going to a public hospital, you pay. The notion that healthcare is free in South Africa is false, is misconception, it's actually misleading. When you come to South Africa thinking that you can get a free healthcare, it's a lie. And there are different sectors, or I'll say level, into primary healthcare. There's H1, H2, H0, and whatnot. It will be determined by your income. And whoever told you that medical aid don't work at public hospital was lying to you too. Like, come on. Huh? Duh, you didn't know. People use medical aid to pay at public hospital because starting from 95 rand, people who are low earners, middle income, and going upwards, they pay at public hospital in South Africa. So saying Nelisa does not have medical aid, hence she's in a public hospital, you don't know the reason why she's in a public hospital. Maybe it was the person who saw the crash and called the public health care, not the private one. And the public health care, what do? They keep you in the hospital, they register you, they treat your injuries, you pay with the medical aid. Maybe you didn't know that. Okay, let's go back to she deserves this because what she did to Q. Come on, guys. You know, they always say that the punishment will be proportional to the offense. What she did to Q does not deserve an accident. And if someone, a human being, say that you deserve to be in a car crash can result in fatalities. So it means your heart is that dark that you wish something like that on another human being. You guys, you need to cleanse yourself. You need to sit down and look at yourself in the mirrors and say, I'm a bad person, I'm wicked. Actually, I'm a witch. I don't like it. Like it left a bitter taste in my mouth. What what do you mean? Actually? And in all instances, I will say this. In South Africa, healthcare is not free. Medical aid works at public hospital. Private hospital, it doesn't mean perfect or the best healthcare. Like as the truth. As long as you receive healthcare at the end of the day, it doesn't matter where you get it from. And your injuries will be cared of. It doesn't matter where you get it from. I just hate it. Hey, I feel so bad. And goodbye, guys. This is not the video that I wanted to do, but I was so furious yesterday. Just like, who told you that healthcare is free in South Africa? Who told you that?